Now it can happen that you have a teaching situation and you get a song and you don't have the chords written in the score. Now to find this out, to find out which chords are suitable for the song, you can just look at the melody and see how the melody is constructed. So first of all, you need to determine the key of the song. So here you have 1 sharp and the last note is a G. So this means it's G major. So you think, okay, G major, so the basic chord in G major is G. So you can play that chord. Yes. And of course we used the first harmonic degree and the fifth. So the 5th degree in G major would be then D. And like we connected the 2 chords in C, the C and the G chord, you can do the same in G major. So you can have G and D. And then you can look at the song and see, okay, which note fits which chord. So for this song, for example, you start with. So this is very clearly G, and you see suddenly. So you can see, okay, A, D, okay, that has to be part of the D chord, and then again, that needs to be G. That's G, changes again to D, and back to G. And you will notice that this D chord will always go back to G, I'm sorry. So, and then, so you have this change, D to G, and again, D to G, and again, the beginning is G again, back to D, and to G. Helpful can also be that you have certain bars from a song which are repeated, and you can just use the same chords again. Now, when you have to find the right accompaniment for a song, it's important to look at the atmosphere character. For this song, a German song, Es tanzt ein Biberbutzmann, it's about a little gnome, you have to have this playful kind of atmosphere. So what we learned before, the left-right alteration could be very useful. So you do that's the first part of the song. Would be nice now for the second part of the song if you just do a little change in this. You don't do left, right, but you do left and 2 times right. So with the D chord you get, and the bass you add a little note, so you get. And back to the beginning. If you want to play a really fun accompaniment for this song, you can go even 1 step further or 2 steps further. And that is, if you want to have that playful atmosphere of the gnome, you can just use the whole piano, and if you play higher you can hear it's going to sound more, for example like that. You can do the left right here, But you can also do a little thing like this. So I do a little twist like that and then go back to the G. And you practice that first. And the left hand, you move to the middle of the instrument and you just do, and we combine that. Now for the left hand can be helpful. You can jump like this and go to D like that, but you also can use the inversion. So you go to and play then, for example, use the F sharp in the bass. It has a nice effect, so you get this result. Now I change the bass a little bit. You can do like that. It's now a variation. Now to get contrast in the middle part of the song, you can just go to the basses with your left hand and play the melody in the bass. It's a really nice effect. So you do, and I double the bass, so I play in octaves. Can be a little practice. For me, I try to place my hand in the position that I always have the octave, put a little tension on it, not enough, but not a lot, but. And the other hand just does the chords and the afterbeats. So it might sound easy, but first you have to practice this slowly, so you know the timing where the right hand comes. So you get. And if you speed that up. And then you change again here. Like that.